There we go. Got him. Woo, woo, hoo, 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 hoo. This is a yeah, babe. Oh, that's not a bad tarpon either. There he is. There he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. This is Southwest Florida Backwater Fish Battles by Chris Bowman. Me being in Florida. He always waits for me to do my intro because he knows I'm not paying attention. That's how smart this dog is. I'm serious. As I told him no 1,000 times. As soon as I turn the camera, he does this all the time. As soon as I turn the camera on, started talking, he did it. Anyways, because he's so smart, I'm gonna let him make it. Me being in Naples, Florida, which is a fishing mecca, right? I'm running out of spots. Like, because it was fresh. Every spot I went to was fresh and new. They were biting at the lures, the worms, everything I threw at them. No matter what kind of fish it was, it went dead. Fish are not dumb. They wise up after a while. It didn't take long for these snook. I was just fishing for snook. Missed them, kept missing them, using bass tackle for trying to catch a freaking 35-inch snook. This snook was big. I hooked them. But, yeah, like, I got about 4 or 5 good strikes, ripped my lure off. Had one on, like, he was fighting and he jumped and the lure popped out of his mouth. So, there's one spot that never gets old. It's the Florida Everglades. And I live pretty close to the Florida Everglades to drive there, so that's where I'm going to catch tarpon, snook, redfish, peacock bass, you name it. Multi-species fishing. I got a new rod and reel today. It's a heavy duty. I got a 30-pound line on it. I mean, it's medium, but for me it's heavy duty. The fish I'm trying to catch, that would work. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Oh, come on. Got an alligator, freaking alligator. We just had a fish jump. Look at a gator following mine. We got an alligator, freaking alligator. We just had a fish jump. Look at a gator following mine. Gator disappeared. Can't get me. There we go. It's a good cast. Oh, he bit at it. There we go. There we go.
Get over
there we
here.
Go. Got him. Got him. Got him. Woo hoo! Woo! This is a tarpon, is what this is. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's not a bad tarpon either. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get him now. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh no, I got him. Well, kinda. All right, can I get him? Can I get him? Oh, yeah! That's not a bad tarpon. Woo! That's what I came out here for. Oh man, let me get some pliers for you, bad boy. Yeah, I let him do this, wear himself out because he's... Well, you want to talk about hard fighting fish. I'm surprised I landed him that quick. These fish are strong. This is a strong fish. Really strong fish. I need pliers because he's not stabbing me. I'm not going to the hospital today, baby. I'm excited. Buddy, I appreciate you. You have made my day. That's what I came out here for. It's off 41, closer to Naples. closer to Naples. Look at that. That's not a bad tarpon. I mean, they get huge. I mean, he's not bad. Oh, you are an awesome fish. Awesome fish. I gotta take some pictures and I'll put you back, promise. I don't want him to flop and hit me in the face. Put you up to my shoe, and then I'll put you back, tarpon. About 2.5 feet, 3 feet. He fought, though. I'm surprised I got him in so quick. There's more under there. I hear him jumping. See if I can't dip you in the water and then get you. Well, don't tell me he's dead. There's no way he died already. No. Oh, he's swimming. He's swimming. He just needs to breathe. I guess you can't leave tarpon out of the water for too long. There you go. All right, he took off as soon as I tried to touch him. Whew, that was fun. Let's get another one. Not checked. They're under there jumping, so let's try to get another one. Got that one. Don't pull my lure out. Oh! Hey, he got away. That's all right. There's more under there. Yeah, he went way over there. Ooh. There we go. Watch. Ready? Oh, he got off. This madness. It's such sadness. Because I'm always doing this to myself. Always. So I shall use a dirty rag to clean up the blood. It's all right. I got antibiotics I never got filled in the pharmacy. So if I need to, I'll get them. I've had a tetanus shot in the past 5 years, so I just tied the lure to the wrong pole. Good job, Chris. Oh man, I'm a mess. Can't believe I cut my finger on a rusty razor blade. Oh, that was a tarpon. Stalked by a bunch of gar. I'm not trying to lose this lure already to a gar. We'll take one more cast. Nope, that ain't no gar. That's a tarpon. That's a tarpon. Well, what now? Man, these things fight. All right, come on, you gotta get them up here, Chris. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, baby, yeah. Tarpon number 2. I don't care, they don't have to be 300 pounds for me to get excited. This is better than fishing. I've been fishing for largemouth bass for over a month. And peacock bass, that was fun, but this is awesome. I need better content and I'm getting it. Look how awesome these things look, man. Look how big their eyes are. All right, buddy, you're just making this worse. Look at this little bass crawdad. Gotta be careful. Be careful. Dude, come on, man. Oh, I hooked him good. I'm getting you. Hold on. You're just ripping your mouth up. There. Look at that. Silvery giant is what they call that. Man, my phone's too far away. That's okay. I got him on video. It's not a bad fish right there. All right, buddy. Silver giant is what they call it. Oh no, that's a gar. I don't want that. No. Good. Bye-bye. That's a holy sh. He came out of nowhere. He came out of nowhere. I didn't expect them to hit. Oh no! They took my lure. I got other baits, but man, he came out of nowhere. Like I was right about to pull my lure up and he smashed it. Come on. There we go. All right, you ready? There we go. Oh, wait, this is a snook. Oh no, that's a tarpon. That's a tarpon. Oh, it's a snook. That's a snook. That's a snook. Woo hoo hoo! Ow, wow, baby! Yeah. Yeah, he hit it. I'm doing good. I'll get you back in, Snooky, don't worry. You know, I've been chasing you for a week now with no content. Smart fish you are. Yeah, I don't want him to wiggle on me and break my finger. Man, I hate these things. They're vicious. They're like a hybrid fly slash bird. I gotta go. Yeah, it'd be all right. All right there, little Snooky. That is awesome. Oh, this guy, he's fighting. He's fighting. He's not coming easy. I wish I had my pliers on me so I can grab them. There's still tarpon under there. I don't want them to jump. God, these things are powerful. He's not coming easy. Oh, I got him hooked in the back. Oh, got him. Woo. Get my pliers. Fishing in a tropical storm in the Everglades. They're here. They are here. Oh, one just tried to hit it and he missed it. That's a baby. I'll take them. That's a baby. That's a baby tarp. That's a baby tarp. Oh, I destroyed his mouth. Oh man, I'm sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Oh, and how'd that happen? I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Let's see. It went in and somehow. Oh man, this is bad. I don't know how this happened. Let me. Okay. Woo. All right, there you go. You're still alive and well. You might have some healing to do. He's all right. Baby tarpon. All right, let's get some more. Let's get some more. That's a slimy fish. There we go. Oh. So after a while, when you keep having tarpon or even bass, any fish really, it keeps hitting your line, you want to retire or not. You really do, because it can be disappointing when they pull your lure off because your knot got loose, because they keep hitting it. Your knot becomes, I don't care what kind of knot you tie, in time it's going to get loose. And I've caught 2 tarpon, and I don't trust this knot anymore, so I'm retying. And for those of yens who don't know, I'm sorry I'm sorry that I'm yelling, but these cars coming by are kind of loud. Don't know how to tie a knot. I like there might be better knots out there. You know, you get the Palomar, you get the Trilene knot, but I've always stuck with, I used to call it the blood knots, but it's called the barrel knot now. And that was about 8, 19, 11, 12. So you just see how I did that, then you're gonna take the end of your line, run it through your loop, and then take the end of your line and run it through the loop that you just created. Just like that. And then pull it. That's a good knot. It's a real good knot. I've tied it my whole life. All right, cut the end of your line off, let's go fishing. I'd see the day where I'd be fishing in the Everglades in a tropical storm. Good stuff. Right from the bank. Who needs a kayak? I wouldn't want to take a kayak out right now at this rain anyways. But they're here. Did you see that? They're here. Oh, he just missed it. Oh, this is a maniac. This is a maniac. Oh, this is a big fish. This is a big fish. This is a big fish. Well, he's okay. He's not as big as I thought. Okay. Woo! Hoo, hoo, hoo. Woo! Woo! That's good content right there, baby. Come on, little fella. Oh, yeah, I know you still got plenty of energy. Silver giants, what they call these things. Why? Because they get way bigger than this. All right, you're messing my knot up. Boy, he was pulling hard. He's not bad. He's about 2.5 feet. All right, man, come on. All that's uncalled for. Uncalled for. Man, I don't want him to jab me. I don't want to go back to the hospital. These tarpon get really soft mouths, I've noticed. They're easy to hurt. And I hook them weird, like, dude, you're gonna hurt your eye. I reeled them in too fast is what I did. I just didn't want to lose them. All right, man. Okay, okay, you're ripping your mouth up. I don't know how he did this. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out without destroying his mouth. Oh man, how'd this happen? Let's see, man. Hold on. I'm just got my foot on you because I don't want you to flop.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this out without hurting them. I don't even know how this hooked. I might start changing my hooks to regular hooks on my lures, because this is ridiculous. Like, look at his mouth. That just hurt him bad. I don't like doing this. Look at this. Buddy, I don't know what to do. I don't want to rip your mouth out. I might have to cut some of your skin. Let me see. There. Man, I'm so sorry, dude. He'll be alright. He'll live. A little tarpon for the win. All right, buddy, I'm sorry. All right, let's go. Oh, this is getting too nasty. It's too nasty. Might have to call it quits, guys. I'm sorry. I couldn't produce more, but this weather's just getting out of hand. I'm gonna try a little longer. I gotta entertain. That was fun. Until that rain started getting cold, the wind started blowing. Thank you guys for watching, man. If that wind wasn't blowing the rain sideways and get water on my GoPro, I probably would have stayed out. But caught a couple tarpon, had a few good bites. I could probably go down the way some more, hit some more bridges and catch more, but it's becoming too much. Like, look at this. And why won't my wipers turn on? So it's just a little much. You know, and it gets colder and colder as it gets late in the day. So I'm gonna end this and upload this video maybe tonight. I don't know. I still kind of want to mess with the last video I did, do some editing, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Other than that, be ready for the next video. Thank you for watching, and Jesus is Lord, and God bless, and all that good stuff. Amen.